Hi guys, my name is America and I'm going to be showing you how to add content to your Feedly account. You'll just click down here on add content and type anything you're interested in. And I'm interested in journalism, so I will click right here. And then all these websites are related to journalism or have articles that relate to journalism, and once you find one that you like, you will just click follow and you will put the new feed name, and we will name it journalism. And once you are done, you will click new feed, press create, and it will come right here. And then you can keep scrolling down to see if anything else interests you. And click follow and it'll show up here now. Press add. And then it will also show you the relevancy of the articles and how many they post per week and how many followers they have. You can click follow this one, press add. And you can also scroll all the way up and press investigative journalism, because that is something I am interested in. And they show you what the websites are mainly about and shows you one of their top articles. And you can click follow, add. And Feedly also gives you options of YouTube, not just normal websites. We can follow this one, press add, and you can click on the website right here and it will show you all the popular ones and the most recent ones. And this one was one I was interested in because it was talking about ICE and how they were housing kids in office. And when you don't have time to read it, you can click this flag, read later, press the X, go to your normal journalisms, and see all the articles that were out today or yesterday. And when you want to read your read later, you can click up here and all the ones that you have saved will come up showing here.